There's solar sites all over the country. If you can imagine trying to bolt a 4-foot by 6-foot solar panel, hundreds of thousands of them on there, you want your foundation to be accurate, because if it's just a little bit crooked, you can't make square solar panels fit. Everything runs east-west because the sun travels east to west. So now we need that I-beam to be on a really nice east-west azimuth. Manually, the operator drives along a string line or some indicator on the ground. That's how we did it initially. We've developed the PDGrade system, a GPS system, which eliminates having to have a survey crew come out. So you can save hundreds of thousands of dollars on a utility scale solar project by having the GPS on it. We download that program into the Carlson PDGrade system, and it communicates with the machine, and it allows the operator to put the steel in where it is, and it works fabulously. And now recently, Vermeer has developed the point-to-point. We've added partial autonomy to it. So basically now you push the button and the machine walks to the next position and lines itself up. The operator pushes a button, the mast raises up. They grab the W6 I-beam, stand it up in the machine. It drives it to grade. He pushes another button, it lifts up and it walks to the next pile. It gives you consistency across the operator because the computer is doing it. Where solar is going and renewables are going, when it comes to autonomy, the customer base is just absolutely begging for more autonomous equipment. We'll probably see 30% growth in solar year after year, at least until 2030, is what all the predictions are. Make hay while the sun shines.